Hello everyone, my name is Mayur Sutar and welcome to my YouTube channel Anybody Can Code. Let's continue with the series of Power BI. So to open the Power BI first, we are going to click on the Windows Start button, and on the top I can see Power BI desktop application. If you can't see there, you can just hit the Start or Windows button and type the Power BI desktop and it will be appear on the top. Now open the Power BI desktop application. Just click on the icon and open the application. It will load for a moment and pop up. This is the pop up the window. Now I'm going to use the Power BI file that I have used in the previous file, so I can just accumulate all the chart in the different pages. So I'm going to just open my previous file that I have stored, and it is here. So in this file, previously we have seen how to load the data, how to create the stacked bar chart. Oh, what happened to this? Okay, how to create a stacked bar chart, how to create a stacked column chart, and today we will see ahead how to create the stacked bar chart and stacked column chart. So I have to organize again. Okay, so stacked bar chart. So first, in the previously I have seen the error in the data, so I have downloaded the fresh file again from the Kaggle, and I found the file is CSV and it is not going to give you the error. I'm going to just load it again just for the satisfaction. Just click the connect, and here is the file that I have found. It says that it is the comma separated file. I'm just going to click that one, hit enter. It is going to connect me, and here is the data. So in the previously we have seen some error. We needed to transform and split the data, but in this file we are not required to split the data. We are able to see it on the screen. So I have downloaded already. I have transformed already, so I'm not going to load it again. I'm just going to cancel it. And here is my file that I have transformed already. I'm going to just add it and show you that one in the Power Query screen. So this is the Power Query screen where I have loaded the CSV file, promoted headers, and chain type. It is the default Power BI. Power BI is performing it default. I'm not going to touch it, but yeah, this all has been done already. I will upload the file, data file in the GitHub as well, and give the link in the description as well. Now this is the cluster bar chart. So today we are going to see the cluster bar chart. So first I'm going to click anywhere in the blank area of the canvas and hit the cluster bar chart icon from the visualization. I'm going to straight over the screen, and here once I'm on the visual, then I can see the property that I needed to fill is a y-axis, x-axis, legend, small multiples, and tooltips. But we are going to see x-axis and y-axis for this moment. So on the y-axis, let's say we are going to put the dates. On the x-axis we are going to put the gross income. Now I'm going to remove the year, quarter, and day to see it just a month. So this is the same we have seen earlier in the cluster stacked bar chart. Here we can see the same thing, right? Unless we are adding the legend. So that's but here we cannot see the total value of the each month. On the x-axis we have configured the value gross income. On the y-axis the months. You can perform the configuration in the visual format of your visual in the y-axis, in the x-axis that you wanted to change something. On the x-axis the range, but I wanted to change the title. Instead of sum of gross income, I will change it to gross income. And here my title has changed. Want to do the bold, that's fine. Data labels that I like to include all the time when I'm preparing the chart. So here I have included the data label, and I can see the total Now the total is appeared. What is the total gross sale of January is 5.5 thousand, February 4.6, and March is 5.2 thousand. That's all. Uh, on the y-axis, you can perform the UI part as well, whether you want to uh, bold the labels, and you can change the fonts, font size, etc. that you wanted to do. Grid line that we have seen earlier in the chart area, we can see the grid lines as dotted gray. You can change the color of the grid line. You can change the grid line from dotted to solid to tag, or keep it dotted. Uh, that's you feel free comfort to explore that one. Now we come to the visual again. We come to the add data to visuals, and we are going to add a legend. So previously we have seen the city, branch, and gender already. Of course, here the three category that I can see. So here the product line as well. So today let's explore the product line. So I'm going to bring the product line, drag and drop to the legend, and see here. So here I can see the six product line. So the company is operating into the six different product line and revenue of each product line. But previously we have seen the stacked bar chart. I'm just going to check the stacked bar chart as well. So in the stacked bar chart, the legend is going to split into the one bar only. But in the clustered bar chart, the legend is going to split the bars for each legend item. So here we have the six product line. That's why we can see the 6 bar in the January, 6 bar in the February, 6 bar in the March as well. Now here all the bar is having their own gross sale value. So that's why we can't see the total value. But let's see whether we can figure out to see the total of the month or not. So I'm going to click on the format of visuals and data label. So inside the data label, I can't see that option here. So yeah, that's a limitation. We can't see the total of the each product line. Total of the month. But we can see the total of the each product line inside the month. So here we have included the 6 product line that we can see it here. Now let's see some more thing, whether we can do anything else with that or not. So I'm clicking on the visual area, go to the format your visual and visuals. In the x-axis, it is the categorized, it is the text values here. So we are going to just perform the we are going to perform the UI part for the text as well, like change the font, decrease size of the font, and change the title of the y-axis that we can perform from here. But I'm not going to change it. So y-axis, I'm going to just hide it and go to the x-axis. In the x-axis, we can see the same thing. The range we can provide a range from minimum to maximum. We can do the invert as well. So it is going to completely invert the chart. Instead of left to right, it will going to turn to the right to left. Now I'm going to just revert it. Inside the values, what we can see, we can change the display unit here as well, same as we have seen all the other chart before. Title we have just done. Legend, in the legend, so legend is provided on the top left, that you can select the option available here wherever you want to keep. Let's say this time we keep on the bottom center. Okay, fine. Inside the legend, there is a text. You can perform the UI part for the text. You can change the title of the legend. Here we can see the product line. If you want to change something else, you can do it as well. So I'm going to just hide it. Legend, go to the grid line. We have seen the grid line already. Zoom insider, it is going to perform the same thing. It is going to provide a zoom. A scroller where the person can interact with the chart by using this zoom in, zoom out for the values part only, not for the category part. For the bars, here we have the six different product line, and we can see the six different colors of each product line has its own color. Now you can inside the bar you can change the color of the each bars that you feel free to explore. I'm just going to leave it as it is, but here is the option. You can change the color and improve the quality of visualize according to the standard of the entity wherever you are working. Spacing between the column you can change by here as well. Increase, decrease the space between the value that available on the y-axis. Data labels, we have added the data label already. We cannot do more thing in that, but yeah, if you want to perform the specific thing for a specific category, like all the other you don't want, you want only the category of particular category like electronics, so you can go to electronics and hide it. Whichever you don't want to keep, you can just remove by selecting one by one. Position, you can choose a position wherever you want to keep the amounts, whether it's outside, inside, and inside is center, left, or right. That's options are available here. For the value, here you can perform the value part as well. You can perform the UI part, whether you want to keep the background of the values and change the font, bold, increase or decrease the font size. That all the thing you can perform here. For the general part, it is about the UI part for the complete chart area, not the data area. So in the chart area, you can perform the UI part for the. My title is active, but yeah, I'm not going to change anything at this time because in the previous tutorial I have explained it well. Because all the chart area will having the same things. You can add the subtitle, you can add the divider. I'm going to add divider only. Spacing I don't want to change. Effects, inside the effects you can change the background that you want, and visual border, that's I always like to add. So visual border, and I'm just going to keep it rounded. So this is all about the clustered column chart. I hope you like the tutorial. Please like the video, subscribe the channel, and thank you for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.